Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming back with Hobby Lobby Challenge with Mo round three. This is the fourth week. I'm thinking I might do it for one more week in my last two projects to show that on next week. So it might be my last week next week. All right, so anyways, this is where you use your red clearance sticker items, whatever you have or whatever you have. Um, just go ahead and show us what you've used using those red clearance sticker items. All right, so let's jump in. I'm going to show you what I used this week. And here it goes. I am using this. I love owls, so those are just too cute. I didn't know what I was going to make with them because, I was a little stumped at first. Matter of fact, I created a card and scrubbed it, and I just didn't like it. My mojo is leaving. All right, but anyways, so I used those owls, and I also used this stamp set from Cards TV Stamps, and I don't know what the name of it is. I cut it off, I guess. But anyways, I'm using that. And let me show you what I created. Here we go. Aren't those adorable? Oh, and I forgot to show the Jaded Blossom. These came from her banner tag set. The little the little cupcake and the little present did. So, but yeah, I thought those turned out so cute. Oh, and I do have this right here. These tags came from this right here. Yes, so I'm using those as well. I did add some stickles on the clouds, and I forgot where those clouds came from. I have a little container that has clouds in it, and I just picked from there. And I did add some gems on here as well. And yeah, so I thought that turned out adorable. So I will be able to put these on birthday packages. Yeah. All right. So that is what I have for you. I'll be looking forward to seeing your creations. I hope you all take the time to join. Like I said, I will be doing a giveaway at the end. Next week will probably be the last week. And then the following Monday, I will post the winner to the giveaway. But you have to play with the challenge in order to try and win. All right. And you can enter on Instagram as well as on YouTube. You all have a blessed and crafty day.